Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the domain and creating a CSR. This is essential because the CSR contains the public key and domain details the CA needs. Generate the CSR on your web server or in Namecheap's control panel and securely store the private key. Do not share it. Once done, select the certificate type that matches your needs. Domain validation for speed, organization validation for trust, or extended validation for maximum credibility. Make sure DNS is editable so you can now purchase the SSL in Namecheap and submit the CSR you created. This tells the certificate authority which key pair to issue a cert for. Next, pick a validation method. Email is simple, HTTP file requires uploading a file to your web root, and DNS TXT needs adding a TXT record. Use DNS if you control records. Once you complete the validation challenge, the CA will issue the certificate bundle. Make sure to monitor the validation emails and verify records until you see the issued certificate. The final steps are installing the certificate and verifying it works. Place the issued cert and CA bundle on your server alongside the private key, then update your web server configuration. Point to cert, key, and chain files. Restart or reload the server to apply changes. Once live, use SSL test tools and your browser to confirm a valid chain and no mixed content. If something fails, check permissions, file paths, and that the intermediate chain is installed. Reissue if the CSR or key mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.